Welcome to Suzuka International Racing Course. This 5.807-kilometer track winds through 18 corners across 53 laps with a single DRS zone on the main straight. Turn 1 and 2, a sweeping entry that tightens quickly. With DRS, it's a prime overtaking spot. Into the S's. Turns 3 through 7 demand perfect rhythm and balance. Turns 8 and 9 arrive fast and punish any braking error. Turn 10 is flat out, setting up the tight hairpin at turn 11, the slowest point on the track. A smooth exit through turn 12 leads to Spoon, a long double apex left-hander that defines your run to 130R. Turn 15, 130R, flat out at 295 kilometers per hour. No margin for hesitation. Then it's into the Casio Triangle, turns 16 through 18. Your final overtaking chance. Suzuka's Figure 8 layout rises 40.4 meters from turn 2 to turn 14.